Okay, I have to tell you something. Subscribe to Rubik's Kirk. RUBIKSKIRK. He is doing a giveaway to reach 100 subscribers. Please enter his giveaway so that he can pick the winners faster. He's giving away a Megaminx, a 2x2, a mini 2x2, and then either a star 3x3x2 or a 3x3x2 or whatever he chooses for second place. I don't know what he's gonna pick. He has 36 views, only 2 subscribers. He just joined January 23rd, 2011. Please subscribe to him. He says he will make a giveaway contest when he gets 100 subscribers. That's what it says in his thing. What you gotta do is subscribe to him, favor his video, and like it. I think that's how you enter. So, please subscribe to him.